Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best over-the-sink shelf is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving bathroom accessories you can invest in, especially for smaller bathrooms or apartments where every inch counts. Imagine effortlessly decluttering your countertop, keeping your essentials like soap, toothbrushes, and lotions neatly organized and within easy reach, all while adding a touch of modern style to your bathroom's aesthetic. This clever solution transforms unused vertical space above your sink into a functional storage hub, making your daily routines smoother and your bathroom look tidier and more sophisticated. Number 5. YASONIC Rustproof Adhesive Shower Caddy Set. Tired of cluttered shower spaces? Introducing a revolutionary storage solution designed to simplify your life and keep your essentials organized. Experience peace of mind with our incredibly strong adhesive. Lab proven to hold up to 40 pounds, it ensures your items stay securely in place without any sagging. Crafted from premium 304-grade stainless steel with advanced coating, this organizer is built to withstand years of steam and moisture without rusting. Forget the hassle of drilling. Our organizer installs in just 4 simple steps: clean, peel, stick, and hang. It's a quick and secure setup. This isn't just for the shower. Its adaptable design allows you to easily move and use it in the kitchen, bedroom, or any space needing organization. Get everything you need in one package: multiple caddies, soap holder, toothbrush holder, and extra adhesive tapes for a complete bathroom transformation. What we like? Tired of rusty shower caddies? This set is made from 304-grade stainless steel, ensuring it lasts twice as long as basic models. If you're looking for a durable, long-term solution for your shower essentials that won't sag under weight, this is the one for you. What people say. The shelf is designed to fit over the sink, providing a convenient space for toiletries and other bathroom essentials. It features a sturdy construction that can hold multiple items without bending or sagging. The open design allows for easy access to items and good ventilation, helping to keep things dry. Number 4. SPACELEAD Slim 4-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Tired of wasted space? This slim cart is designed to fit into those narrow gaps, maximizing your vertical storage. Its intelligent tiered design accommodates items of all sizes, making it a perfect fit for modern living. Need flexibility? This unit easily converts from a mobile cart with smooth rolling casters to a stable, fixed shelving unit. Use it as a movable pantry or a stationary organizer, adapting to your specific needs. Keep everything in its place with adjustable dividers and convenient side hooks. The scientifically designed tier heights ensure that everything from large bottles to small jars fits perfectly, eliminating wasted space. Set it up in minutes with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy transport but built to last, with shelves that can hold up to 30 pounds. The unique mesh bottom prevents water buildup and promotes air circulation. Solve storage challenges throughout your home. It's perfect for the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, small spaces, and even RVs. This one cart offers endless possibilities for organizing your life. What we like? Need to maximize storage in tight spaces? This slim cart is designed to fit into narrow gaps and offers both mobile and fixed storage options. If you have limited space in your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room and need a versatile organizer that can adapt to your needs, this is a perfect fit. What people say. It fits my little space between my dryer and wall perfectly. I am so happy I can use this previously wasted space and free up cabinet space for other things. The size of the little shelves are perfect. They fit the width of my dryer sheets box, my laundry detergent, my iron. I love how you can make it as tall or as small as you would like, very versatile. Number 3. Godboat 2-Tier Over Toilet Storage Shelf. Tired of wobbly shelves? Ours features a double protection system with secure legs and strong adhesive glue. Your items will stay put, no matter what. Living in a small space? This organizer is designed to help you declutter your bathroom, kitchen, or dresser. Keep everything tidy and easily accessible. With 2 spacious display areas, it's perfect for organizing toiletries, spices, or vanity items. It's a must-have for any home, apartment, or RV. Designed to fit most standard toilet tanks and sinks. The adjustable poles and adhesive stickers ensure a secure and stable fit. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This organizer is a wonderful choice for any occasion, from Valentine's Day to birthdays. Show your loved ones you care. Add a touch of cool decor to your bathroom with this sleek black organizer. It's both functional and stylish, making it a great addition to any home. What we like? Struggling with bathroom clutter in a small apartment? This over-the-toilet shelf provides a smart, space-saving solution with a unique double protection mounting system. If you're looking for an efficient way to organize toiletries above your toilet without sacrificing stability, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The bottom shelf accommodates my Mondo internet radio perfectly. It serves as both a timepiece and a melodic companion during my morning routine. The top shelf is a well-organized haven. Here's what it holds: a small box of facial tissue, a convenient scent spray can, a trusty bottle of poo-pourri, a neatly stashed canister of Q-tips. I appreciate the ingenuity of the toilet paper holder, which I've repurposed as a spare roll holder. It's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Number 2. WOPITUES floating shelves with wire basket. This shelf features a convenient wire basket with an open front, perfect for keeping essentials like toilet paper easily accessible. It's spacious enough to hold multiple rolls and can be placed above your toilet or vanity to keep your space organized. Crafted from durable solid wood and robust steel, this unit is built to last. The powder-coated finish on the basket and guardrail ensures rust resistance, offering a stable and reliable storage solution that can hold up to 20 pounds. The integrated 3-sided metal guardrail provides extra security, preventing your items from falling off. It's a great solution for organizing various bathroom essentials, personal care products, or even decorative items. Setting up this shelf is a breeze. With clear instructions and all necessary hardware included, you can have it mounted and ready to use in just a few minutes. We're here to help if you encounter any issues. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We value your feedback and are dedicated to improving our products and services. We hope you enjoy your new shelves and would love to hear about your experience. What we like? Want a stylish and functional storage upgrade for your bathroom? This floating shelf features a handy wire basket for toilet paper and a protective guardrail to keep items secure. If you appreciate a blend of aesthetics and practicality, and need a reliable wall-mounted solution for your bathroom or bedroom, this shelf is a great option. What people say. The shelf is sturdy and holds a good amount of items without bending. It's a great space saver, especially for smaller bathrooms, as it utilizes the vertical space above the sink. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with most bathroom decor. Number 1. JayRex 3-tier movable corner shelf organizer, rustic brown. Tired of cluttered countertops? This versatile organizer can be used as a corner shelf or a straight-tiered shelf, adding up to 30% more usable space. It's perfect for organizing spices, coffee supplies, or even as a bathroom organizer. This hero product brings order to any room in your home. Not only does it create valuable storage, but its rustic brown finish and classic look also enhance your decor. The different shelf heights accommodate items of all sizes. Constructed with sturdy aluminum tubes and non-slip feet, it protects your surfaces. Plus, for included hooks keep your cooking tools conveniently within reach. Get organized in minutes. Assembly is quick and easy with the included instructions and tool. Cleaning is a breeze with just a damp cloth. What we like? Looking to declutter your countertops and add a touch of style? This 3-tier organizer offers a versatile, rustic design that can be configured as a corner shelf or a straight-tiered unit, adding up to 30% more space. If you love a classic aesthetic and need an easy way to organize your kitchen, coffee area, or bathroom countertop, this is a fantastic solution. What people say. The shelf is designed to fit over the sink, maximizing space in small bathrooms. It's made of durable material and can hold multiple items like soap dispensers, toothbrushes, and small towels. The installation is straightforward and requires no tools, making it easy to set up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.